I'm Daryl with the Capital City Tree Experts. I'm out and about looking at some trees today. I just want to show you a few things to what to look for in the wintertime. It's a great time to look at your trees. You can see throughout the tree there's no leaves to obstruct your view. So I just want to show you a few things. Certain trees we're looking for crossing branches, maybe some decay on some branches that we couldn't see because there's foliage in the summer. We're looking for dead wood that you couldn't see. So just stuff to look for when you're out walking around in your yard. Come take a walk around with me and we'll see what we can find at this park, and we'll see what we can do. I found this Freeman Maple here with some great example of a codominant stem. Just want to show you, you can always look for this in the summer too, but this is a great example of a codominant stem. We got two stems that are, they're competing with one another, and sooner or later, one of these is going to fail. It's probably going to be this one that's going to fail. So there is some corrective measures for that. We don't have to get into that today, but you can always have us out and we can talk about your codominant stems. Another thing on this tree that I noticed is we got competing branches. We got some crisscrossing branches here. This is one thing to look for. You can see them up in the canopy too on other trees, but here this is going to cause a problem. It could open up wounds and let pests in the tree. It could cause stress and end up broken branches, and you just don't want competing limbs. We'll go see if we can find some more trees to take a look at and some other things that you can see during the winter time. This darker spot right here on this branch, when this had leaves on it, it's like this. So that's something to look for. I see another Freeman Maple over here that I wanted to talk about. I can kind of tell that it may have some codominant tops. It's got two tops from the same stem. So that could lead to failure and included bark, and that's where the branches grow really close together and could create some issues down the road. So if you come up here, you follow the tree right up through here, you can kind of see how these two branches right there are growing close together, and one of these is going to fail at some point, probably sooner than later, and you really want to take care of that before it gets too late. The best time to do it is when this tree is young, but it's a really good example to see codominant tops that you might not see in the summertime. Really important to see this. This would be really hard to see in the summertime with all the leaves on it, but we got some close unions here. I'll point that out again, and then if we follow this to the right, you got this branch that's twisting around one of the main tops. So that could really set in decay and open up for secondary pests and decay in the future. So that's really something to look for in the winter. During our walk today, we covered a few of the things that are on the property evaluation list. If there is others on that list that we didn't cover today, but if you happen to check off any of the items that are on our list, it's a good indication to give us a call and get it taken care of before it's a major problem on your trees. Hopefully you found this video helpful and informative. Please use that checklist, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and we'll try to get them answered for you. Thank you.